Natural selection. It is the basic building block for all of modern biology. It's the process in which certain biological traits are passed down from one generation to the next. Variation in species caused by genetic mutation creates different properties among species of a similar population. Some qualities are more favorable than others, and these allow a species to survive and reproduce. Take the peppered moth, for example. Before the Industrial Revolution of England in the last half of the 19th century, the black peppered moth was rare. Its more common light body variant was able to blend in more with dark tree bark in its environment. However, as the Industrial Revolution came about in England, the countryside between London and Manchester became blanketed with soot from the new factories. This made the light-colored pepper moth more vulnerable to predators, and as a result, the dark pepper moth was able to survive and pass on its traits. The term Darwin's finches refers to a collection of birds native to the Galapagos Islands. It is probably the most famous example of natural selection in all of modern science. It comes from Charles Darwin's book, On the Origin of the Species by Means of Natural Selection, in which Darwin recalls his observations in the Galapagos Islands during the second voyage of the HMS Beagle. He notes that there is variation in the size and shape of the birds' beaks, which were highly adapted to their own unique food source, ranging from insects to nuts and berries.